Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you want every Gumroad buyer added to your newsletter automatically. If you are selling in digital products and not building a newsletter audience at the same time, you are missing long-term growth. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna talk about how to integrate Gumroad with Beehiiv, I guess. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first and first, after opening our device, make sure we are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go and look for basically Zapier so we can access the automation. So now it's time to look for Gumroad here. So now okay, here it goes. This must be the platform, just tap on it. As for choosing a trigger, it's usually Gumroad. The trigger is sales or basically new sale. Then trigger event, new sale, I already did that. Now we have to choose an action after fully connecting using your API key by going through Gumroad here. Then go through settings, look for advanced, then copy the API key from there. Now we're gonna come here, then create your update subscriber. Add a subscriber to an automation. You can use that as well. Delete, okay. Update custom field. Let's select this one. Add a subscriber to a specific automation, that's actually good. Now select your publication. Usually it's email, first name. You can also add the product tag. It's optional, but it's good for you. Now test the app, hit publish. Now every sale builds your newsletter first automatically. So it will give you a small list of your own subscribers or basically customers that you can use later. As a pro tip, you can use product-based tags to send targeted follow-up campaigns, and that's the whole idea. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.